Hello and welcome. So let's look at 2019 paper from computer science branch, and what we are looking is linear algebra question. So far I have already covered for the statistics, math and EC paper, and all the linear algebra questions from these paper. I have already done that in last 5 years from 2019 to 2023. So same we are going to do with the CS also. Okay, so let's jump directly into the question. We have question number 9. So question number 9 is that let X be a square matrix. Consider the following two statements on X. Statement 1 is X is invertible, determinant of X is non-zero. So both the statements are correct, and both the statements say the same thing. If determinant is non-zero, then we can say that matrix would be invertible, or we can say if X is invertible, then the determinant of X would be non-zero. So both of both of these two statements are the equivalent statement. So we can say that the correct answer for this is D. Right. Next, jump to question number 44. So we have given this matrix R, the absolute value of the product of eigenvalue of R is. So how you are going to find the eigenvalue of this matrix? What you can do is you can convert this matrix to U, that is upper triangular matrix. Then you can take the product of the diagonal element, that will be your answer, right? So how we can do, we can first apply the elimination. We can take this as a pivot, and after taking this as pivot, then we can apply the elimination and we can neglect all this. So here we will have 0, and 3 minus 2 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, and here we will have 27 minus 8 is 19, and here we will have 0, 4 minus 2 is 2, 16 minus 4 is 12, 64 minus 8 is 56, here 0, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, here 21, and here we will have 125 minus 8 is 117, right? Now what we can do, we can take this as a pivot and we can apply the elimination again. So after applying the elimination, what we will get is 1 2 4 8 0 1 5 9. These two rows are going to be same. Here we will have 0, here we will have 0, and what we are doing is multiplying this row by 2 and subtracting it from the row 3. So 12 minus 10 is 2, and here we have 56, and here we have 38, right? So here we will have 8 and 18, right? Now here what we can do, we can multiply now with 3 and subtract it from this last row. Then here we will have 0, and 21 minus 15 is 6. So 21 minus 15, right? So 6, and here 117 minus 57, right? So it will be 60. Now what we can do, we can take this as pivot, right? So we have already taken this pivot and taken this pivot. Now our third pivot is this. We can eliminate this, so it will be 0, and here we will have 60 minus 54, that will be 6, right? So this will be 6 after applying the elimination, right? So these are our pivot element, and this is our upper triangular matrix. As you can see that this is our upper triangular matrix. Now what you can do, you can take the product, and if you take the product of 6 into 2 into 1 into 1, so that will be 12. So the correct answer for this is 12. That is all. That was the only two questions from this 2019 paper.